Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language in OneDrive on computer. So how to change language in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this profile menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap My Profile menu. Now here you will enter the profile menu. Here there are many choices. Tap the Your Info menu. Now here there are several choices that you can change. Tap this Language menu. Now here will appear many languages from various countries that you can use. You can search by typing. Select language. After finished, tap Change Display Language. And tap OK. Now here you have finished changing the language. So that's it, tutorial how to change language in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.